Good morning students. 10th standard maths exercise 2.6 is a continuation. Sum of an AP only. Already know that the formulas in a sum of an AP. Okay, 8th question. Raghu wished to buy a laptop. He can buy it by paying rupees 40,000 cash or by giving it in 10 installments as rupees 4,800 in the first month, 4,750 in the second month, 4,700 in the third month, and so on. If he pays the money in this fashion, fine. First question, total amount paid in 10 installments. And then second question, how much extra amount that he has paid than the cost. So what are the questions given? First of all, listen. He can pay it by paying rupees 40,000. He buy a laptop and by paying the amount is rupees 40,000. Total amount equal to 40,000 only given. And then by giving it in 10 installments. It's a number of installment, number of terms only is mentioned for 10 installments. So first month in rupees 4,800 for the first month. And then second month 4,750 for the second month. And then 4,700 for the third month. So first of all mention the sequence. First one is a 4,800, comma. Second month is a 4,750, comma. Next third month is a 4,700, and so on. So how many installments are given? Is a n equal to 10 installments only given. So what are the first question? Total amount paid in 10 installments. So find out the 10 installments total amount means you find out S30, S10 only, you find out the question, first question. Second one, how much extra amount that he has paid than the cost. Find out the extra amount. Okay, sequence are given. First of all, find out the A and then common difference. So first one, T1, T2, T3. First term A equal to 4,800 and then D equal to T2 minus T1. So 4,750 minus 4,800. 4,800 is a big one. So apply the symbol minus 0. Subtract the term. 10 minus 5 is a 50. So minus 50. N equal to 10. So what is the first question given? You find out the total amount only. You find out. So right, first one. First you find out S10. So what is the formula? So last term is not mentioned. So apply the first one formula. So write Sn equal to n by 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So apply S10 equal to 10 by 2 within bracket 2 into a term 4,800 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into d value is a minus 50. So write out the term, this one is a 5. 5 into within bracket 2 into 4,800 multiple. 8 2s are 16, balance 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is a 9. 9,600 plus n minus 1 is a 9 into minus 50. Right, 5 into 9,600. Only 1 minus given one, apply the symbol. Minus 9 into 50 is a 450. Okay, subtract the term. 9,600 minus 450. So 0. 10 minus 5 is a 5. Is a 5 only. So 5 minus 4. So 1, 9. So multiply the term. 0. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 1 5s are 5 plus 2. 7. 9 5s are 45. So answer 45,750 is a S10. So what is the first question given? Total amount paid with 10 installments. So write down the question. First question. Total amount paid in 10 installments is, what is the amount given? You find out 45,750. Answer 45,750 is the first question. So what is the second question given? How much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost. You find out the extra amount. The extra amount he pays in installments. What is the amount given? So 45,750 minus already paid the amount is a 40,000. Subtract the term minus 40,000. So what is the answer? Rupees 0, 5, 7 and then 5. So answer, the extra amount he pays in the installments equal to rupees 5,750. Ninth question. A man repays a loan of rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by rupees 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? So what is the value given? A total loan amount equal to rupees 65,000 only given. So SN only given. Sum of total amount, total loan amount equal to rupees 65,000. First month, what is the amount given? Is a 400. In every month, this amount is increasing by 300 for every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? So only find out the n number of terms only find out. So write loan amount. First of all mention loan amount. That one is a SN equal to rupees 65,000 given. So what is the first month payment given? 400. Write down the sequence. 400 comma. Next month, in every month increasing by 300. So add the next month. 400 plus 300 is a 700. Next month 700 plus 300 is a 1000. Next month 1300 and so on, equal to what is the total amount given is a 65,000 only given. What is the question given? How long will it take for him to clear the loan? You find out n only, you find out the value. So first of all write down the A and then common difference find out. A equal to 400 and then B equal to 700 minus 400 equal to 300. Okay, so substitute the formula. So what is the formula? First one formula only. So SN equal to rupees 65,000 given. Substitute the first one formula, n by 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 65,000. Okay, substitute the n only, find out n, already mentioned the n only. 2a 2 into 400 plus n minus 1 into d is a 300 equal to 65,000. The next step, say n by 2 within bracket 2 into 400 is a 800 plus in bracket outside 300 only given. So both the term multiply by 300. 300 n minus 300 equal to 65,000. Next step, so rearrange the term. So 2 in multiply by the right hand side change into multiply only. So go to the right hand side. So n within bracket. This bracket rearrange the term. So 300 n, first of all mention 300 n. 800 minus 300. So 8 minus 3 is a 500 only. So mention plus 500 equal to 65,000 into 2. So each term multiply by n only. So write 300 n square plus 500 n equal to this term multiply by 2. 0, 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12 plus 1. So 1 lakh 30,000. So again next step, so 300 n square minus plus 500 n. So right hand side plus term change into left hand side. So plus change into minus only. So minus 1 lakh 30,000 equal to automatically apply the 0 only. So this term first to last term so divided by 100 only. So 3n square plus 5n minus this term, so what is the answer? 1300. So 1300 equal to 0. So next step you find out the factor. 3n square plus 5n minus 1300. first of all is a coefficient term are 3 only given. So first term and then last term is multiply. So 0, 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. So multiply product of the term is a minus 3900 and then middle of the term is a plus 5 only given. So you find out the prime factorization method only, you find out the factors. So apply the 3 table, 1 time, 3 times, 0, 0. This one is again multiplied by 2 table, 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 10 is a 5, 0. So 650, so multiply by 5 table only, 1 time, 3 times, 0. So 130, again divided by 5 table, 2 5s are 10, balance 3, so 30 is a 6 times only. Again 26 divided by 2 table is a 13 times, again so 13 is a prime number. So this term only, so rearrange the term and multiple and find out the factor. So middle of the term is a 5 only. So one more term is a last one digit is a 5 and then one more term is a 0 only. So you change and multiply the term. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30 and then 30 2s are 60. Okay students, the next again remaining terms 5 into 13, multiply the term is a 65 plus 65. So next one is a plus 65, one more term is a product of the term minus only given, middle of the term plus only. So small number only, apply the minus symbol. So this term write 65 minus 60 equal to plus 5. 65 into minus 60 equal to, so what is the answer? Is a minus 3900. So apply these two terms only. So 3n square. So first middle of the term you mention minus 60n plus 65n minus 1300. This two term, common term is a, this both term multiplied by 3 table, 3 and then n is a common. So mention other remaining term n minus 20 times only, n minus 20. This one is a but divided by 65 table, so plus 65 within bracket n minus 1300, so 65 into 20 only, so write minus 20. So bracket outside mention the term 3n plus 65, next term is a n minus 20. So this term equal to 0, 3n plus 65 equal to 0, next n minus 20 equal to 0. So mention the term, so plus 65 change into minus 65. So n equal to minus 65 divided by 3. This term minus 20 change into plus 20. So n equal to 20. So this one is a negative only given. So within bracket mention negative not possible. So what is the answer? N equal to 20. So write the answer. He will take 20 months to clear the load.